if you're a person that's tired of seeing the Facebook ads, you get targeted by people, I'm gonna show you how to get out of that. What you want to do is you want to go over to your Facebook profile. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to click settings. Then you want to come over to account center. Then you want to go down to ad preference. And then you want to scroll down and you'll see areas of ad topic. And this will show you all the ads that are targeting you. These will be the ads that's targeting you. Then you want to go over to the top, and these will show you all your other ads that are targeting you. If you like videos like this, comment below. Now I got to give you the sauce. Now to get rid of these ads and hide them, what you need to do is find one of them that you like, click on it, and down at the bottom it said hide ads. Click on it, and then eventually the ad is hidden. You don't have to